Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a 1-minute lemon mug cake. Stay tuned and let's jump right into making this beautiful cake you see here. These are the ingredients we are using for today's mug cake or our lemon mug cake. So we have some flour and then sugar. Then we have icing sugar. We have some milk. We'll be using some vinegar. We also have water, baking soda. We have our lemon, forgetting our vanilla essence as well. Then we'll be using a grater, a sieve, some forks for serving and also for stirring, a knife for slicing the lemon, our tissue, our chopping board, among other ingredients. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we are going to place our water in the middle. We'll add in our vinegar, just a little bit. Then we'll wash it, pat it dry with our tissue. So we are going to cut it with our knife, trying to slice it in such a way that we'll have a smaller part and then a larger part. We'll also make a little slice which we'll use for decoration later on. Then we'll squeeze the lemon juice through the strainer so that we don't end up having any seeds in it. So this is what we've got. We are going to reserve it. Into our mug, we are going to add in our flour and sugar. Then we'll add in the milk and then we'll mix as well until everything mixes up nicely and also dissolves. Now we'll add in the vanilla, a bit of the lemon juice, and then we'll mix everything together. So this is it. We are going to place it into our microwave for just a minute. So it's done, and this is how it looks like. We are going to allow it to cool off slightly. We are going to grate some lemon zest onto it. Into our bowl of icing sugar, we are going to add in the rest of our lemon juice. Mix it with the icing sugar until it combines nicely. So we are going to drizzle it on top. Then we'll drizzle it with some lemon zest. And then finally we'll add our slice of lemon to it. And just like that, you've made yourself a 1-minute mug cake. So we are going to taste it. Let's look at that. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.